How to fix Snapchat messages not sending. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Snapchat messages not sending. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are friend with the recipient. If you are sending message to someone, you have to make sure that you are friend with that person. If the message is not sending, then it might be the reason of it. The second thing is your internet connection. Now, what you want to do is try switching between networks, as Snapchat requires a strong internet connection. Then try switching between your networks, switch to mobile data or switch to Wi-Fi connection, or try switching between different Wi-Fi connections. This might help fixing the issue. However, if it's not helping, then you might just want to reset the app. Now to do so, scroll down the notification bar and head into settings. You can see the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen, and if you scroll down below and you'll get the option apps. Head into apps and search for Snapchat. Now you can see Snapchat opens up. Now what you want to do is head into stories, and on stories clear your data. Tap on clear data and it'll ask to delete. Now what this does is it resets your app. Basically, it's as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app without doing so. So make sure to back up your data, however, before doing this, because it'll log you out of your account. So once you do this, it should fix the issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.